এই মিটিংটা ছিল প্রাইম মিনিস্টারের কোভিড নিয়ে মিটিং। কোভিড নিয়ে মিটিংটা এত ক্যাজুয়াল, ইট ওয়াজ জাস্ট এ ক্যাজুয়াল সুপার ফ্লক মিটিং। We the chief ministers are feeling insulted and humiliated, and we are astonished to see that Prime Minister called a meeting and invited the chief ministers, and all the chief ministers were sitting just like puppet. Nobody is allowed to speak. Then how do we speak about the public demand? We never ask about the COVID vaccine. They never ask about the medicine position. They never ask about the oxygen position. They never ask about the remdesivir, the medicine, the urgent, what is not available in the market now. They didn't ask us for the black fungus, that new disease. कोई सीएम को बोलने नहीं दिया, डीएम को बोलने दिया, डीएम को थोड़ा थोड़ा डीएम को बोला, जैसा उत्तर प्रदेश को डीएम को बोला, एक एपी का बोला, एक छत्तीसगढ़ को बोला, ऐसा 4-5 ডিএম को बोला। আমি আপনাদের এটাই বলতে এসেছি যে আজকের মিটিং নিয়ে আমরা ভেবেছিলাম যে আমাদের বলার সুযোগ দেওয়া হবে, কিন্তু আই এম সরি, নোবডি ওয়াজ allowed to speak, but we are not the bonded labor. We thought that what we wanted to speak the Prime Minister. It is nothing against of the government or nothing against of the particular person, but it is the demand of the people to help the people. It is poor people demand. That when he didn't allow, then all the chief minister must protest on this. देखिए, all chief minister will speak themselves. इसमें हम तो इंटरफेयर नहीं कर सकते हैं, किसका क्या बोलना है उसका फ्रीडम है। लेकिन बात ये हुआ है कि आज ने जो किया है एक डिक्टेटरशिप से भी ज़्यादा है। इसे लगता है कि देश में मार्शल लॉ चल रहा है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर का मर्जी माफिक सब चलेगा, सब उसका बॉन्डेड लेबर है, कोई पॉलिटिकल कार्टिसी भी उनका नहीं है। এটা ওয়ান ওয়ে কমিউনিকেশনও হয়নি, এটা ওয়ান ওয়ে ইনসাল্টেশন হয়েছে, ওয়ান ওয়ে হিউমিলিয়েশন হয়েছে, ওয়ান নেশন অ্যান্ড অল হিউমিলিয়েশন। ওনারা বলেন না ওয়ান নেশন ওয়ান লিডার, উনি কাউকে বলতে দেবেন না ওয়ান নেশন অ্যান্ড অল হিউমিলিয়েশন।
Today was a meeting of few states including Bengal, and Srimati Mamata Banerjee sought to interrupt that meeting, that the chief ministers are only meant to listen, and she did not allow the district magistrate of 24th Pargana to share his views about what best practices he has undertaken. She was completely wrong, because in the earlier meetings, DMs for the state of Maharashtra, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh have also participated. And what is the harm if the PM wants to know the best practices of all the collectors of India as to what they are doing, so that it can be replicated elsewhere? This behavior is shameful, is condemnable, and least expected from the chief minister of a big state in a meeting called by the Prime Minister, when the entire country needs to speak in unison in the fight against COVID. But nothing better can be expected from Mamata ji. She rarely attends a meeting which Prime Minister Narendra Modi calls. On the 17th March, when the PM called a meeting in the wake of surge of corona, keeping in mind Maharashtra data, she did not attend the meeting. She has not attended the meeting earlier also, be it one rank, one pension, be it on the land bill, be on infrastructure, or the governing body meeting of NITI Aayog. You don't attend meeting, that is entirely your call. But to come in the meeting and seek to derail the meeting is very, very unfair. Obviously, something good would have emerged also for the state of Bengal. Therefore, I would only say when the country needs to speak in one voice, today's behavior of Mamata ji is something which we deeply regret and strongly condemn.